factors affecting the rate of evaporation. The rate of vaporization increases with increase in temperature. Let us explain with the help of activity. Take two containers having same sizes. Fill the same amount of water in both the containers. Insert the thermometer in both the containers. Note its temperature. Place this one in the sunny day and the other in the dark place. Note its temperature and observe the water level in both containers. We observed that the water level decreases in the container kept in the sunny day, while the level of water in the container placed in the dark place remains the same. From this activity we conclude that the rate of vaporization increases with the increase in temperature. This is why the water evaporates faster in summers than in monsoons or winters. With an increase in temperature, kinetic energy of the particles also increases, and more particles are able to break through the force of attraction from other particles. Hence, they get converted into vapors.